Hello, everybody, and welcome to Memory Keeping Friday. I am so excited that you guys are here. I want to chat with you guys about my Project Life album. I've been doing Project Life now for several years. I think 10 years now I've been doing it. 9 or 10 years. I love it. I've always done memory keeping. I've actually kept a family or personal scrapbook for almost 20 years. It's always something that I've done. I did an album even when I wasn't married and didn't have kids. I still did a scrapbook album for the year, which is now, it's considered a family yearbook or a personal yearbook. I think is, maybe the terms that are being used these days. I lose track, right? But I've been doing it for a long time. This is my album here. It is for the second half of the year. I don't have my label yet on it. I've printed it. I just haven't slipped it into the pocket there. But usually I do 2 volumes per year. So I do a January through June, and then I do a July through December. And I do currently, up until right now when we're talking, I have been doing Project Life in the weekly form. So what does that mean? That means I take basically a photo every single day and I drop it into a weekly spread. I'm sorry about the glare, you guys. And then that's how I do my album. And then I do traditional pages in the mix. I do different pocketed sizes. I really love the ability to layer up my page protectors in my Project Life album. So I really love the ability to layer my pages up, and I find that to be part of the fun of Project Life. And so you can see that I've done it this way for a long time and I love it. But what I want to share with you guys today is that I'm changing up my process. Can you believe it? I feel a little nervous about it, quite honestly, because typically I just really like having a system. It's what helps me stay on top of my Project Life on my efforts and my memory keeping is to really have a system that I just do and I fall back on and I don't have to worry about. And so I'm a little nervous to change it up, but I feel like it's just time. And so here we are in August. And what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be doing my Project Life album in a monthly layout instead of a weekly. So instead of doing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out several stories from the month and I'm going to highlight those. And then I will still have a couple sections in here that are maybe some more random photos, and I'm just trying to figure it out right now as I'm deciding to do this, make this change. I'm sort of trying to figure out what's going to be best, but what I love about changing it up is I'm going to start doing some full page photos or some 12 by 12 or 9 by 12, and I know there's a little bit of a glare on here. It's hard to see. Maybe this side will be easier to see, but you can see that these are full large photos in my album, and I'm really excited about that. So I am sharing the entire process with my membership group. I have a membership group for memory keepers. It is called Life Simply Documented. It is only $10 a month. We have an exclusive Facebook group and we have an exclusive website where you get a login and a password, and everything is organized on that site for you to see. And I'm actually sharing the entire process with my gals there where we're memory keeping and doing this. If you would like to join, I would love to have you. If you enjoy memory keeping and enjoy doing things that are memory keeping related, I really created the group so that I can help you more one-on-one doing memory keeping tasks, the things that you're doing that maybe you're struggling with. I recently created a Simply a simple guide to the editorial layouts that I'm loving so much. It's a PDF that explains how to use those editorial layouts in the Project Life app. You get access to printables that I create. I do a tracker every year for Project Life that you get access to. It's really a place that if you want to dive in and you need a little bit of help in figuring it out, it's a great community to be a part of. You can ask questions and I address them. We do a live video every month. I would really love for you to come over and join me in that space. And then that's where I'm sharing sort of the breakdown of how I'm approaching this. But I thought I would share with you guys because I will also be sharing how it comes out and how it turns out and my thoughts about changing to a monthly format instead of a weekly format. I want to share with you guys as well. So here it is. I have some idea of what I'm doing for August because that's what I'm working on right now is the August layout. And then I'll come back and I'll share with you how it looks and what I've done. So I hope that you guys are interested in seeing this process. I'm always interested in seeing other people's their process so that I can figure out what works for me. I think that we can take pieces of what other people are doing and we put it together and we come up with our own system, and that's how we can keep up with memory keeping. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, taking a quick look at my Project Life album. Leave a comment below and let me know, are you still doing weekly Project Life? Have you moved to monthly? Do you not even have an album that you're working on? Would you like to? I just would like to know where you guys are at with your memory keeping efforts. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will be back next week to share some new projects with you. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.